selling domains has never been easier. Welcome to Proteus, the first ever all-in-one cloud-based app that allows you to sell domains for whatever price you want and get the best prices for yourself. It's as easy as buying Proteus, and that is it. You and your customers will be able to just type in a domain name, such as Proteus, and you'll get the absolute best prices for these domains. But how does it all work? You have a fully customizable, with hosting included website that you can make your own, with over 30 different tools that will help you convince your customers to buy your domains, as well as exclusive ad spots on your own website, as well as an AI helper that is going to tell you the hottest domains in a certain niche. Proteus gives you the entire package on buying, setting it up, and selling domains within 30 seconds. More than that, you can add an unlimited amount of extensions, modify their prices, and then modify how they're shown to your customers. So for example, if we want to change the .com extension, we can do it right here. We can manage in what order they're shown to make sure that the higher prices show first or the most popular ones. And with integrated support and dedicated training, Proteus is a no-brainer. We've set it up so you can have it up and running within 30 seconds and start selling domains. So check it out right now, and I can't wait to see you inside.